Textured Carpet Guide. There are a variety of textures and patterns to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for your home. Plus, textured carpet is known for being more durable and resistant to stains and dirt than many other types of carpets. What is a textured carpet? Swirling individual yard strands into spirals makes textured carpeting. It's then pressed flat using a heated steamer. It's usually best suited for use in mid to high traffic places, and it looks great with both modern and antique furnishings. More synthetic materials are often used to create textured carpeting during the heating process, like polyurethane, nylon, or plastic. Polyester is another good option for creating textured carpets. What are the different types of carpet textures? Plush pile. They are a type of cut pile carpet in which the loops of yarn have been sliced to create individual strands. Plush pile carpets have a smooth, velvety surface since the strands are equally long. They usually come in one color and will show footprints. They also aren't the most long-lasting option because of the carpet fibers being exposed. It is recommended using them in areas that don't get a lot of traffic. Textured plush. It is a carpeting option that features yarns of different lengths and angles. Textured plush options are still soft and durable enough to stand up to busy lifestyles. Frieze carpets. They provide both a consistent appearance and texture, making them perfect for high-traffic areas. Because of their shorter, tightly twisted fibers, frieze carpets have a somewhat dense perm look. They come in a wide range of colors and conceal dirt and debris between cleanings, keeping their appearance with little upkeep. Shag carpet. Shag yarn heights may be as tall as 3 inches, but the longer the yarn, the more difficult it is for some vacuums to clean. The shaggier your shag carpet looks, the deeper and longer the yarn is. Level loop pile. They have short, consistent loops that create a distinctly different pattern or variation. The tightness of the loops means the carpet is less soft, but it also won't show footprints or vacuum marks. Pile loops are closed loops, not individual strands. They're not as soft or yielding, but they're more durable since the yarn tails aren't exposed and susceptible to fraying. Berber carpet. It's low profile, long-lasting, and won't reveal footprints or vacuum tracks, making it ideal for high-traffic areas and busy rooms. They are made from individual loops of varying lengths tufted together in random or sequenced designs. Dear pet owners, please be aware that Berber carpet is not the best for your cats. Saxony. It has longer pile lengths and is therefore deep and soft. This more formal carpet texture is made up of densely packed straight-up standing piles of tangled loops. They are a good option only for low-traffic areas. Variable height patterns. Different carpet textures can be created by combining piles of different heights, or even combining cut and intact loops. Which carpet texture is best? It depends on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a durable, low-maintenance option, loop or Berber carpet might be the best choice. If you want something softer and more plush, textured or shag pile could be the way to go. Is textured carpet durable? Textured carpet can actually be quite durable, provided it is made from high-quality materials. The key to textured carpet's durability is in the construction. Textured carpet typically has a higher density than other types of carpet, making it less likely to show foot traffic patterns. As a result, textured carpet can be an ideal choice for active households. If you're in the market for a new carpet and want something that will look great and last long, textured carpets are definitely worth considering. If you need help keeping your textured carpet looking its best, don't hesitate to contact Go Carpet Cleaning. We offer comprehensive carpet cleaning services that will take care of every little detail, from deep cleaning the fibers to removing any pesky stains or blemishes. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.